Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix no internet problem in your Infinix smartphone. So let's start friends. If you are facing no internet problem, so friends, you have to go to this control center. So you can see here it is airplane mode. You have to activate it for 10 seconds at least. It will refresh your network. Then you have to turn this back off. You have to go to the settings again. Type here in the search bar reset and click on reset Wi-Fi. So you have to do this reset, enable the password, and you can see your network settings has been reset successfully. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.